How's it going, guys? Today I have another installation video for you, and I just want to let you know that this 60 tooth sprocket is pretty killer. Sure is a lot of fun. All right, this is what I'm going to be installing today. It is a bash plate. I call it a skid plate. Let's see here. Let me just open this up here. Wow, came with a bunch of stuff. Australia. Right. Comes with a race spec sticker. Cool. Also comes with instructions. Let me take off this tape. Alright, finally. Alright guys, so here it is. And I am not sure if I'm missing a piece here. Well, doesn't hurt to read the directions. Alright, let's do this. Wow, that was pretty tight. Other side. Alright, should come right off. Just like that. Wow. He's a little bit dented. A crack. Let's just take a look at these two side by side. Thinner, thicker. Okay, here we go. Slide this puppy on. Alright, so we're just going to be screwing it in here. Do not cross tread. This might be the hardest part. I don't know. Okay, I think I got it. Just line up this bugger. Oh, that's nice. Okay, let's not make it too tight. Other side. Left bottom side. Birds laughing at me. Okay. I don't want to overdo this one, I might strip it. Alright guys, look at this fitment. It's pretty precise. It's nice. It's got a gap over here for cooling. That's what it says anyways. Look at that. The edges aren't really sharp, so I think it's pretty safe. Nice. Inside. Is it touching? Is it touching? Oh, might be touching over there. Alright guys, it's installed. I just have to modify this just a little bit so it doesn't touch the controller. It's fine now. A little scratch over here for me, not a problem. Seems like it's gonna last. It's very strong. The only negative thing that I can think of right now is that this bolt needs to be screwed into the plastic. And I'm just wondering, you know, how's it going to be long term? You know, when I gotta service this thing, I gotta take it off, and you know, the repetitiveness of taking it off and unscrewing through the plastic. I just don't want it to strip. I'm only worried about that. But other than that, thing looks pretty cherry. It's nice and heavy duty. I love it. I love the install. Look at that, so close. It's nice. Can't wait to bash it on something. Alright guys, so that is it for this video. Aloha and take care. Remember, if I can do it, I wonder if I can... Nah, it's alright. Yeah, why does that wasp have to bother me? Look at that wasp.
Daddy, I see the fly. It's in the kitchen.
Thank you. Oh, I dropped it on my toe.